Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Para No Roncar is probably one of the most effective solutions for snoring, a common issue affecting millions and disrupting sleep for both snorers and their partners. This product promises to significantly reduce or eliminate snoring, leading to improved sleep quality and a more harmonious sleeping environment. In this video, we will put Para No Roncar to the test, examining its features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in tackling this widespread sleep problem. We'll explore how it works, what makes it stand out from other anti-snoring solutions, and whether it truly lives up to its claims. Number 5. Rhinomed Mute Nasal Dilator. Are you tired of snoring disrupting your sleep? These nasal dilators gently open your nasal passages for better airflow and a more restful night. They help increase airflow through your nose. This can significantly reduce snoring and improve your sleep quality. Made from soft, pliable, medical-grade biocompatible polymers, it's designed for comfort and safety. They're FDA-registered and drug-free. Clinical trials show these dilators can increase nasal airflow by up to 38%, more effective than nasal strips. With adjustable stents, it provides a comfortable and secure fit. Simply insert them, adjust for optimal airflow, and enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. Each dilator is reusable up to 10 times. The design is discreet and comfortable for all-night wear. What we like. It's clinically proven to boost airflow, made with safe, medical-grade materials, and offers a comfy fit. If you prioritize safety and a comfortable, effective solution, this is for you. Its comfortable design ensures a good night's sleep, even for sensitive noses. It's a reusable option, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. What people say. The mute dilator is not completely comfortable to where you don't know it's there, but it does not cause bleeding or sores, and weirdly enough when I went back to it, it seemed to work far better than the other brand that claimed to open passages, 58% more. So the night I went back to mute, I slept 8 hours 26 minutes and woke up feeling great. Being able to breathe through my nose at night made my sleep so much better. The texture is supple and the immediate benefit is to breathe more widely. The discomfort felt at the beginning quickly fades. I recommend this product without any hesitation. Number 4. Breathe Right Lavender Strips. It opens your nose to relieve congestion, increasing airflow and helping you breathe better. Say goodbye to that stuffy feeling. It's a drug-free solution for snoring caused by nasal congestion. Experience improved airflow and sleep soundly through the night. Enjoy a tranquil sleep with its soothing lavender aroma. Simply scratch the strip to release the calming scent. These extra-strength strips have flexible bands that are 50% stronger than the original, opening your nose for maximum relief. Breathe easier than ever before. It's completely drug-free, so there's no interaction with other medications. It simply helps you breathe better naturally. With improved airflow and a calming scent, it helps you breathe easier and sleep better. Wake up refreshed and ready to take on the day. What we like. It provides immediate relief from congestion, features a calming lavender scent, and is completely drug-free. If you need quick relief from nasal congestion and enjoy aromatherapy, this is a great option. The lavender scent promotes relaxation and better sleep, making it ideal for those who struggle with stress or anxiety before bed. It's also a safe choice for people taking other medications. What people say. They're comfortable, I prefer the fit of these. The lavender smell is nice, and really just hint essence of lavender, it is not overpowering. And most of all, it helps my honey sleep as I am not snoring like a freight train all night. These are a nice lavender smell, and stay smelling pretty much the entire night. It's not overwhelming at all nor is it distracting. I never could breathe well through my nose when I was laying down, it made me feel like I was suffocating. But these make it nice and easy to do and do those breathing exercises to help you relax and fall asleep. I do like the strips and the light scent, not too overpowering. I breathe much better through the night and my mouth is not as dry as a desert when I wake up. Number 3. Intake Nasal Strip Starter Kit. Are you struggling with snoring or nasal congestion? Intake is a patented system designed to open your nasal passages for easier breathing and a better night's sleep. It's comfortable, effective, and easy to use. It features 2 independent nasal strips and a magnetic relief band that work together. This innovative design provides optimal airflow and a personalized fit. Unlike other nasal strips, this one is worn externally, providing comfortable and long-lasting relief. It's more effective than traditional strips and nasal sprays. Intake increases oxygen intake and relieves congestion, leading to less snoring and better sleep for you and your partner. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and energized. It's a safe, drug-free, and latex-free breathing aid recommended by doctors. The starter kit includes everything you need: relief bands, nasal strips, and a magnetic applicator for easy application. What we like. It uses patented technology for wider nasal passages, is comfortable and durable, and effectively reduces snoring. If you're looking for a long-lasting and comfortable solution, this is the one for you. The external band design makes it more comfortable than traditional strips, and its effectiveness is long-lasting. It's a great option for those who want a more comfortable and effective snoring solution. What people say. It provides probably 2-3x the airflow of the best adhesive bendy strip. The L1 size fit my largish nose just fine, and it is more comfortable and less itchy than the other products in its class. It does everything it claims to do. It opens up my airway fantastically. The quality is great, the plastic is not cheap feeling, the magnetic applicator is actually very handy, makes it easy to apply, and it includes sizing for almost any nose size. The stickers themselves work great, and so long as you clean your nose beforehand, they won't start to come off until you wear them longer than 24 hours. Number 2. Anti-snore silicone nose clip. Are you tired of snoring disrupting your sleep and that of your partner? This innovative solution offers a comfortable and effective way to find peaceful slumber. It's designed with an adjustable magnet for a customized fit and made from soft, comfortable silicone. It's gentle on your nose and easy to use. It gently opens your nasal passages, improving airflow and reducing vibrations that cause snoring. Experience the difference it makes. The adjustable magnet ensures a perfect fit for everyone. It's designed to be comfortable to wear all night long. Wake up feeling refreshed and energized, without the disruptive sounds of snoring. It's a simple solution for a better night's rest. This device provides a comfortable and effective way to reduce snoring, leading to a more peaceful night's sleep for you and your partner. This pack includes 6 clips, giving you plenty of replacements and backups. It's a cost-effective solution for long-term use. What we like. It has an adjustable magnet for a customized fit, is made of soft silicone, and promotes comfortable, quiet sleep. If you prefer a hands-free, comfortable solution, this is a good choice. The adjustable magnet ensures a secure and comfortable fit for various nose shapes and sizes. The silicone material is gentle on the skin and won't irritate sensitive noses. Number 1. Extra strength nasal strips. Say goodbye to stuffy noses and hello to comfortable breathing. These strips instantly open your nasal passages for relief. Feel the difference immediately. It provides fast relief from nasal congestion, so you can breathe easy. Experience improved airflow and better breathing. It's perfect for those moments when you need a little extra help. They can also help reduce snoring, leading to a more restful night's sleep. Wake up feeling refreshed and energized. Find relief from cold and allergy symptoms. It helps clear your nasal passages, making breathing easier. These strips are 50% stronger than our non-extra strength version, providing even more effective relief. Get the powerful relief you need. With 50 strips in each pack, you'll have plenty on hand to tackle those stuffy moments. It's convenient and ready when you need it. What we like. It offers extra strength relief, provides instant results, and comes in a convenient 50-count pack. If you need powerful, immediate relief from congestion and a large quantity for long-term use, this is the best option. The extra strength makes it ideal for those with severe congestion or allergies. The large quantity ensures you'll always have a strip on hand when needed. What people say. I've been using these extra strength nasal breathing strips for almost 5 years now, and I can't say enough good things about them. From the very first use, I noticed a dramatic improvement in my ability to breathe through my nose, especially at night. If you're someone who struggles with nasal congestion, snoring, or just wants a better night's sleep, these strips are a total game changer. The extra strength adhesive keeps them securely in place all night without peeling or losing effectiveness, which was a problem with other brands I've tried. They worked instantly. The first night I used them my wife never heard me. I could feel my nasal passage open up when I put them on. They continue to work every single night I've used them. I wipe the bridge of my nose before I put them on so there are no oils and they stick with no issue. I haven't had one fall off yet. When I first tried these, I was worried they weren't sticky enough, but I wiped off my nose getting any excess oil and applied. The strip stayed right in place all night long and kept my nasal passages open and snore free. The great thing about these is when you take it off in the morning there's no residue to clean up. They come off easily without the goo. Definitely a superior product. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.